Again. I'm gonna go swing it to Mama.
I'm gonna go find out who's calling. Don't grab the spoon, Bia. Don't grab Papa's spoon. Hi, Mom. Oh.
Yeah, I know you're probably busy, but I want to get back to you and see how Miss Bia slept last night.
She slept, pretty well, I'd say. I don't know if it was a huge difference, but we're feeding her now. We're giving her more rice cereal, and it's really funny.
Yeah. It's fun. It's fun, the little things that you can do that entertain us. Let's watch Bia eat.
Yes. Let's do that. Let's do that.
I love it. So, how do they have you do it? I know when you guys were little, you had to stand one thing for 2 weeks before you went on to something else.
For 1 week. For 1 week.
1 week it is now, so what's the next thing you've been interested in? Like a fruit, like bananas or something?
Steak.
Benny says steak.
Chocolate.
That's right. Chocolate and sugar overloads.
Yeah.
Anything with sugar and caffeine.
Sausages. So what's the next thing?
We haven't gotten beyond rice cereal in our heads.
Oh, okay. You must start perusing the aisles of food.
Well, I haven't done any research yet. And I really thought I was going to have another few weeks before I had to figure anything out.
That's fun.
Yeah.
But it just felt like let's do it, and you did it.
Yep.
And it's working out.
And she's really excited. Are you excited, Bia?
Is it yummy? Did she swallow, or is she gumming it, or what is she doing?
She's swallowing it.
A little bit of a mess, but...
Oh, it's a mess.
Yeah.
Yeah, hang on one second.
So,
Hang on, I'm stopping. Oopsie, hang on. Hang on.